Buy now or wait. Kung tinatanong mo yan, that means nag-iingat ka and that is a good sign. So, here is a gentle reminder. So, if you are an investor na naghahanap ng property na pwede mo nang malipatan within 6 to 12 months and considering that you have an enough budget, then investing now is a smart move. Dahil meron tayong tinatawag na property value appreciation. So, kapag papalampasin mo yung opportunity, especially kapag pre-selling pa lang ang project, that means kapag na-develop na yung village and also the community, mas tataas pa yung value ng property. I-consider mo na rin yung iba't ibang development sa area and especially yung accessibility, lalo na kung malapit lang tayo sa major thoroughfare, so mas tataas pa yung value ng property. Pero buying now does not mean kailangan mong madaliin yung pagbabayad. Pero syempre, kailangan pa rin ng due diligence. So kapag ang property na bibilihin mo is under ng developer, kailangan nating i-check yung credibility ng developer. Check natin yung mga iba't ibang projects na nagawa na nila. I-check natin yung location kung binabaha and kung merong fault line. Kung hindi ka pa ready, wala pang enough budget, hindi pa kumpleto yung documents, and hindi ka pa rin sure sa location, okay lang ang maghintay. Dahil mas malaki pa rin yung matitipid mo kapag naghintay ka compared sa pag-invest sa isang property na hindi mo naman mapapanindigan. Hindi mo kailangan ng perfect timing, ang kailangan mo is safe decision. Message checklist and I will send you the buyer safety checklist.